Are you tired of paying hundreds of dollars per tool every single month? What if you could get everything, all the marketing tools, all the essentials, all in one place for a fraction of what you would pay for simply one system? In this video, I'm going to show you a platform called Builderall where you can get landing page builder, email follow-up, video creation, Facebook marketing apps, and more. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to receive for being a Builderall member, and if you decide to join our team through the link in the description below, I'm going to give you our highest converting sales funnel absolutely free. So let's jump right into it. My name is Dylan Afazio, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the Builderall platform. Now, Builderall platform is a very low cost but very efficient business tool. Now, what you're going to be receiving in this is you're going to be receiving builders so you can create landing pages. You're also going to receive an autoresponder, some design tools, some video creation tools. You're also going to receive a whole bunch of apps so you can get SEO reports on the page. You can get browser notifications. You can get chat box. You can get Facebook inbox answers. There's so much value inside of this platform that it's absolutely a no-brainer if you have a business online or if you're looking to make money online. Now, if you're looking to make money online, promoting this tool makes it super simple. So you can actually get a car, but let's go over to the Builderall business calculator. Now, to be a business member, it's only $49 per month. That's going to give you access to every single tool inside of the Builderall platform. It's going to give you access to the mailing boss, which allows you to have an email marketing list of 11,000 people for free. Okay, so this is super, super powerful. Now, how many licenses can you sell in 1 year? Let's say you were able to sell one license per month. You only sold one license per month, so that's 12 licenses per month, or 12 licenses per year, okay? So just right there, just selling 12 licenses, one license per month, which is definitely doable, your monthly income is $107 of passive monthly income. How many licenses convert to commercial? That's how many people upgrade to become a business member, which is the $49. So let's say on low, let's say 15%. Okay, so that's an extra, $7 per month. Now, how many tier 2 licenses sell in 1 year? So let's say half of those people go out there. So let's put 6. Boom, another $100 in residual income. Now again, let's put 15%, and boom, we're up to $217. So with literally one person per month, you could be making $217 in residual income. Now, one person per month is a little low. So let's say you got 2 people per month, 24, and let's say though out of those 24, 12 of them got signups. Boom, now you're up to 600. Okay, so let's say you got, what would you get with 50 members and 25 of them upgraded? Okay, so you guys see the power of this system, promoting this system, and it's a tool. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not none of that crap. It's a tool that everybody needs. So let's go over to the builders. I'm going to give you a brief little rundown of some of the sites that I have, and then I'm going to show you the exact funnel that I'm actually going to give you if you decide to be on our team. So we have a webinar funnel on our team. I'm just going to open this up for you guys. And in this webinar funnel, you're going to receive everything. So you're going to receive this landing page, which converts very, very well. Okay, it's set up to convert. It is converting very, very well. All your prospect will have to do if they want to join our Builderall team is they're just going to click this button. They're going to enter in their email, and then they're going to register. then they're going to be sent over to this welcome page where my good friend and mentor Liam is going to explain to them what the Builderall platform is, and he's going to, pretty much sign them up for you during this webinar. More info will appear. So a couple minutes into the webinar, there's going to be a button to join Builderall, and when you set up your funnel, so the cool thing about this is, let's just go over here. I'm just going to click edit, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to edit these pages. So inside of these pages, you can literally go through and change everything. If you want to change the text, you just literally double click on it, and you can, you can go through and edit. You can change the colors. You can do whatever you want to link it up to your own Mailing Boss subscription. I do have a video where I show you how to create a landing page. If you guys want to watch that, just check the YouTube channel. I definitely have a video on that. But what the cool thing about this is you get to share this entire funnel. So when you when you sign up to the Builderall platform, all you got to do is just shoot me a message on Facebook. I'll open my Facebook up here for you guys. There'll be a link to my Facebook in the description below as well. But just shoot me a message, say, hey Dylan, I signed up to Builderall and I want to get the webinar funnel. And I'll send you, I have a little link here, right? Get link. I'll send you that link. And what's going to happen is this is going to pop up. So you're going to have your very own funnel. You're going to have your very own capture page that you can use. And then what's going to happen is people are going to be sent over to the watch webinar page. So it's super simple, 2 pages. We do have email follow-up as well for you guys. But as you guys see here, all you're going to have to do is just literally, you just right-click that. And let me just click on the button. You're going to right-click that, and then where it says action, as you guys see here, it has my affiliate link. So all you're going to do is you're just going to put in your affiliate link for Builderall. So I'll show you how to get that right now. So to get your Builderall affiliate link, all you got to do is click the link below, create your business account for Builderall, and then what you're going to go is you're going to click on Builderall Business, and then you're going to click on Resources. So then to get your affiliate link, all you got to do is this is your affiliate link here, just click copy. Or if you want to send them to a specific page, what you can do is you can click on default, and then you can go to the 22nd March launch. You can click on all the funnels. They have all these pre-done funnels that you can use, checkout pages, niche funnels, whatever way you want to promote this is for you. But if you just want to use our system, just copy this link. Then you're going to go back over to your page, and you're just going to open this up. Again, right click it, hit action, and you're going to post in your affiliate link. And then you're going to click OK and save. So then what's going to happen is, I'm not going to save this because I messed around with it, but that's going to give you this entire funnel. So then what's going to happen is once you save that, if you go into your builders and under Pixel Perfect where it says My Sites, this entire funnel is going to show up just like mine is. So you see where mine says webinar, you're going to have this exact same funnel inside of your Builderall business. So it's super easy to share funnels, and that's one of the reasons I love this platform, along with the Mailing Boss. So let me just go over the Mailing Boss here real quick. I haven't been using it super much. I'm just kind of still getting used to it. I've only been with Builderall for a week or so, but I do have a couple campaigns set up, and I am adding some emails, but it's super easy. So to set, you got your lists here, you got your campaigns. So if you want to send a regular email broadcast out to your list, you can do that. If you want to set up an email sequence, you can do that as well. There's just lots and lots of information inside of here. I don't want to go too in depth into this, but if we go over, I just want to show you where it says pricing plans. Okay, so right now for my Aweber list, I pay about $65 per month, and I only have about 3,500 members. Okay, so with the Builderall platform, as I said before, it's $50 per month to become a business member, and you get this Mailing Boss absolutely free. And as you guys see here, up to 11,000 subscribers, you get it for free. Once you hit 11,000 subscribers, it's an extra $2. Once you hit 12,000, an extra $4, right? So it is insanely cheap. You could have over 20,000 subscribers for $20 extra. That is insane. You know, like I said, I'm paying over $65 per month for my Aweber, and that's just one tool, right? So when I was using ClickFunnels is about $97 per month. So with Aweber and ClickFunnels alone, that is over 3 times the price of the Builderall platform, and you only get 2 tools. So you get, like, if you were to buy ClickFunnels, you would get all of the builders. If you were to buy Aweber, you would get the mailing boss. So that's kind of where Builderall separates itself from all of these other tools. It's not crazy expensive. You can make a crap load of money, and you can also get your you can get a car paid for. So let's just click on that, show you guys you know, some more into the back office of this cool platform. But Builderall, once you get, I believe, 100 members, they give you $800 in monthly residual income. So let me just see here. So they have the new affiliate launch taken over this page here. So I can't actually show you. The car purchases, but once you get 100 members, I believe you get $800 per month, and then 200 members, you get I think $1,600 per month in car payments, and they send that right to your bank account or your PayPal, which is pretty cool. So another cool features in the design studio, so you can build presentations. So if we click on presentation builder here, if you want to create like a nice PowerPoint looking Word presentation, you can do that super easily with the Builderall platform. Like I said, Builderall literally has everything inside of this one platform. So if we want to go here, you know, we can change the background. You know, you can change the background colors to whatever you want. You can change the surface colors, right? So you can change the surface colors. You can add videos. If you want to add a video, you can just import it from YouTube. If you want to add an image, you can literally customize the crap out of this platform. So if we want to just go for a quick overview, you can move everything around, and like it's just super simple. So that's just that's the presentation builder. If you want to go to the design studio, you can do that as well. So you can literally open this up. I'm just kind of showing you guys some of the features that Builderall has. This is a very cool design feature. So say you wanted to create an ebook, right? So we could just click on this book cover, right? And then you can literally say you have let me just upload an image. Let me just grab one of these. So say I want to upload an image for this landing page. Let's do that. So you can literally scale it down. We're going to scale this, right? So let's just put that right there. It's not going to look the best, but I just want to show you guys what kind of features this can do. So then that's going to just populate onto this book cover. So we can click see result, and boom. So now you got your image. So if you obviously had an actual book cover, that would look a lot better. But just so you guys can see, you can create these cool little images very easily. Now, say you wanted to, say I was working on a video, right? I could scroll down, I could grab this, iPad, and then I could do the same thing. So that's part of the photo studio. It allows you to, I don't know if you've ever wanted to, but I've always been looking for a way to create these cool. They're really good for social media, and they look, badass. So I like that. And then that's in the design features. If you want to set up videos, you can go to animated videos. This is where it's going to allow you to create like Word videos where you can, edit the text so it comes in all cool and stuff like that. So if we want to, if we want to create a new project, let's just name it test for now. So we're going to, let's just open this up. and then you can select a template. So they have a whole bunch of templates where you can choose from. So, you know, as you guys see here, the text moves pretty sweet. So say we just want to use this red one. We're just going to open this up. So then, boom. So we got all of our, so if we just want to play this. All right, so then you could easily go through, you could edit all the layers, you could, you know, literally just open this up, double tap to open the text editor to change, you know, everything inside of this. Like I said, it's super customizable. You can add, you know, animated characters if you want. And normally if you were looking to, you know, buy a tool that just does this alone, you're looking at about $40 to $50 per month just for a tool that creates these videos. So, you know, Builderall has all of these tools literally done for you, ready to go, and it's only $50 a month. Like, it's absolutely insane. And if we go down to apps, right, so we can have browser notifications. So if we just click on this one, you can set up a notification where people can opt in. So if you just click on create a campaign, you can literally change all of this. You can change the background colors. This will pop up onto their web browser, and you know, when they click the button, they're going to go to whatever URL you want. So the amount of tools that you get inside of this platform is absolutely insane. And like I said, sorry, my phone's going off. Like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys our exact funnel. So you're going to get this Builderall, webinar, which is going to promote so that you can actually start, you know, getting some sales, and then you don't have to pay for Builderall. It'll be free once you get a couple signups. So super awesome platform. I hope you guys got some value from this video. I just wanted to give you a brief little rundown of all the tools and all the, you know, cool things that you can do with Builderall. And if you guys need any training, right, if you click on tutorial videos, there's literally a training for every single feature in this business or in this platform. Okay, so you can do Mailing Boss, you can do App Creator. So if we just click on App Creator, let's just see how many trainings. So look at all these, right? How to change your design, how to use the news wall feature, literally everything. You look at all these trainings. There's 2 pages of trainings on just the App Creator alone. Animated videos, right? How to start creating videos, everything you need to know, all sorts of training inside of this. So you're literally not just getting thrown into the fire and left by yourself. We got lots of training. We got our funnel, which you can access. And all you got to do is become a Builderall member, click the link below, set up a business account, and just test it out. I'll give you guys a free 7-day trial, and you can just, you know, look around, see if you like it, see if it's for you. But I definitely, you know, once you guys get into the back office, you will love this platform. I know I have. I actually canceled my ClickFunnels account, and I am moving my Aweber over to the Builderall platform just due to, you know, how cheap it is. It increases my profit margins by simply doing everything I need it to, and it's all in one place. I don't have to go messing around. I don't have to worry about logging into 20 different tools to, you know, create designs or create videos or send emails. I literally just log into my Builderall platform and everything is here ready to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time stopping by, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I go live or when I upload a new video, hit that bell notifications so you get an email updating once I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Dylan Alfazio here with the 6 Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you in the next video.